सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्न गुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम। पंचदश उत्तर पंचशततमी कक्षा, पंचदशोत्तर पंचशततमी कक्षाद्य यत्र एकोनत्रिंशः श्लोकः पठितः अस्माभिः। तत्सम्बन्धिनी आकांक्षा पठिता, तत्सम्बन्धी पदार्थः अद्य पठनीयः अस्ति, अन्वयार्थः अपि पठितः। तत्पूर्वं गतकक्षायां तत्र सारः, श्लोकसारः न लिखितः न दर्शितः च। अद्य पश्यन्तु कृपया।
सिंहः केसरी शिशुरपि अल्पवयस्कोऽपि मदेन दानजलेन मलिनाः कपोलभृत्तयः गण्डस्थलानि येषां तेषु गजेषु हस्तिषु निपतति आक्रमति। सिंहः केसरी, सिंहः नाम केसरी, शिशुरपि अल्पवयस्कः अपि मदेन दानजलेन मलिनाः कपोलभित्तयः याः वर्तन्ते ता एव गण्डस्थलानि येषां तेषु तादृशेषु गजेषु हस्तिषु निपतति आक्रामति, आक्रमणं करोति इति। कुंभस्थल विदारणार्थम् इति भावः।
To tear up the kumbasthala, in order to tear the temple area of the elephants, that is the sense.
इदं विक्रमदर्शनं बाल्ये अपि सत्त्ववतां बलशालिनां पटुतिः स्वभावः अस्ति।
Idam Vikrama-darshanam, this exhibition of valor, Balyepi, though in childhood, though when the lion is young, Sattvavatam, not only the lion, but Sattvavatam, all the powerful Balashalinam, or the mighty, Prakriti his Svabha, this is the nature of all the mighty people, not only the lion, that is. What is this nature? Vikrama-darshanam. Exhibition of their valor is done right in the childhood itself of all the, yes. So what the poet says, Vayaha Tejasaha Pratapa Vikramadehe Hetur na bhavati. It does not become, age cannot become the factor or the reason for one's power or other things, Pratapa Vikramadi, etc.
Sattvavan mani prani shatrum tiraskrutyaiva nivrittim
Lavati. Sattvavan mani prani. So any powerful self-respecting person, any efficient and self-respecting person, Shatrum tiraskrutyaiva, after doing harm to the enemy only, nivritim lavati. Or after repelling, overcoming the enemy, only he gets nivruti, that is satisfaction.
Tejastu maninaha swabhaviko dharmaha iti saha.
So the essence of the poem is Tejaha maninaha purushasya swabhavikaha dharmaha iti. So that is the natural propensity, tendency of a powerful man, that he cannot brook others' insult done to him, or that is his nature, that he attacks. So we finish this, Srinivas. इदानीं पदार्थः अन्वयार्थः नो पठितः न पठितः ओके अन्वयार्थः पठनीयः जातिः रसातलं यातु
जातिः रसातलं यातु गुणगणः तस्य अपि अधः गच्छतः.
Okay, pauses are there. Well, jatihi, birth or caste, rasatalam yatu, may go down to the rasatala, which is we have already enumerated, fourth grade. Let us become fourth grade, go to the fourth lower position of the talas. Gunaganaha, group of qualities. One, if a person has gunanam ganaha samuha yadi san asti kasminchit purushe tasya api adaha gacchata, tasya api rasatalat api adaha gacchata. So let it go further down the rasatala. If one has got the character, which is also spoken by the same poet, but here he says, even the character, Shaila Tatat Patatu, let it fall from the peak of the mountain. Sandahyatam. Great birth, like a birth in a big family, noble family. If one is born in a very royal family, that let it be burnt in fire.
Vairini shaurye ashu vajram nipatatu.
This shauryam atra vairiti katitam. Shauryam kavina atra vairiti katitam. Shauryam asti chet tad guna eva, parantu atra doshatvena kavihi tatra darshanam karayati asmakam. Vairini shaurye. Even the bravery which is enemy to the person. Now I explained this now. How should you understand? A shauryavan purushaha, mani purushaha, he cannot do all jobs. Stoop down. He cannot bend, go low to do things. You know, we have studied one poem, na? Kusumastabakasyeva dvayi vrittir manasvinaha. Dvayi vrittihi. Manasvinaha purushasya kevalam dvayi vrittihi bhavati. Kusumastabakasya iva. Kusumanam stabakasya iva. Katam dvayi vrittihi tatra sarvalokasya. Murdhni va sarvalokasya. Sarvalokasya murdhni sirasi tishtati. Pushpa tatra mala. Athava यदि पुष्पानि तिष्ठन्ति चेत् मूर्ध्नि तिष्ठन्ति सर्वलोकस्य भगवतः अपि तत्र कंठे अथवा अन्या गतिः का मनस्विनः पुरुषस्य अपि तादृशी एव गतिः विविधा गतिः भवति शीर्यते वने एव वा वने एव तत्र नाशनं गच्छति एवं तादृश शौर्यं यदि वर्तते तद् वैरमिति अत्र कथितं. So that is a kind of though positive quality, it is viewed here as a negative quality which does not allow a person to earn money. Because like manasvinah dvayi vrittihi, he will want to occupy the highest position, prime minister position, otherwise no position he says. Then how will he live? He cannot compromise. I want the highest, otherwise I will die. I don't care. So that is not good, he says. Money is, because the life is given, you have to run the life, to run this life, you need money. And when money has to be earned, these things have to be carefully looked into. Not that the poet is dismissing totally. Maybe in a fit of anger he is telling like this. Vairini shaurye ashu vajram nipatatu. Let the vajrayudha fall on the shaurya, which is our enemy now, which does not make a man do and earn things for himself and his family. Next.
Naha kevalam arthaha astu.
Naha asmakam kevalam arthaha astu. Let all these things go to damnation, but only money, let money be with us, for us.
Yena ekena vina ime samastaha gunaha trunadavaprayaha.
That is, yena arthena ekena arthena vina, without which single money ime ete samastaha gunaha. These are all gunas only. Say there is no dispute. Poet is not disputing, self-contradicting here. Ete sarvepi gunaha. Parantu etena ekena arthena vina etesham gatihi kidrushi bhavati. Ete truna lava prayaha bhavan. They are just like, almost like the grass only. As grass has no value, these qualities have no value in the absence of money. So wonderfully said. I am reminded of several poems here, Srinivas. There is one famous Nataka, Mruchakatikam, by one poet called Shudraka. It is not that he was a Shudra, name is Shudraka. Very world famous, world renowned story. This is Vasanta Sena and the heroine in the story. There in the beginning, in the 5th chapter of that Nataka, Anka says, Kaha Sraddhasyati Bhutartam Sarvomam Tulayishyati. That man who becomes a poor man, a rich man, when he becomes a poor man, all people will be pointing out to him and laughing at him. Sarvomam Tulayishyati, will take me lightly. Shankaniya hi loke asmin loke shankaniya nishpratapa daridrata, he says. Nishpratapa daridrata asmin loke shankaniya bhavati. What comes to be doubted in this world is poverty and a poor man, automatically. Nishpratapa, powerless. Nishpratapa is a Visheshana pada for daridrata. Kidrushi daridrata, nishpratapa, nishprabhava daridrata, asmin loke sarvaihi shankaniya bhavati. So a poor man automatically is doubted by everybody in this world because of his poverty. Poverty, he says, nishpala, it has no power. Nishpratapa asti. So nobody believes a poor man. See, in India also, it may be so in other countries, if some poor man says something, nobody cares for him. If a, ill-dressed man comes up and says, sir, this is the thing, what are you talking, go away. Nobody takes him seriously. So that is the point here. Nishpratapa daridrata. Sarvopi mam tulayishyati. Everybody will take me lightly. Nobody, na shraddhasyati. Nobody will believe me. Then, Kalidas also says the same thing about, are we, relevant? Yeah, it is. We are talking about here, that money only, how important money is. So this is one poem, Niti Sankalpa. As there is a book, we do not know the author, but Niti Sankalpa. This is worth telling, Srinivas. Before we go on, I remember one more poem from the same Mruchakatika, Shudraka, Mahakavi. Daridryan Maranadva. This is a simple poem, you can also understand. Daridryan Maranadva Maranam Mama Rochati. Daridryan Maranadva Maranam Mama Rochati. Now he gives the reason. Alpa Klesham Maranam. Alpa Klesham Maranam Daridryam Anantam Dukkham. See how beautifully this playwright says in this Mruchakatika, in the same chapter, Anka, Panchama Anka, Daridryat Maranat Va. If you give me a choice whether Daridra and Marana, Maranam Mama Rochati. Maranam Mahyam Rochati iti. Mama Rochate is put there. I like Marana between the Daridrya and death. Why so? Give reason. If you ask, Alpa Klesham Maranam. Death gives pain for some time during the process of leaving the body. Alpa Klesham Maranam Daridryam Anandakam Dukkam. It is endless pain, endless suffering. Poverty is endless suffering. Death is instantaneous. That is what he says. And he gives one beautiful picture, Srinivas, in the same Murchakatika. Sukham hi dukkhanyanubhuya shobhati. When does a man really enjoy sukha? Everyone should concentrate on this poem. Sukham hi dukkhani anubhuya shobhati. Dukkhani anubhuya eva sukham shobhati. Yaha purushaha जीवने दुःखम किमिति यदि न अनुभवति किंचिदपि तत्र किंचित् ज्ञानमपि न भवति कस्यचित् पुरुषस्य आगर्भ यदि तत्र धनिकः यदि कच्चित् अस्ति सः सुखविषये किं जानाति सुखं हि दुःखानि अनुभूय शोभते सुखं शोभते कदा शोभते दुःखानि अनुभूय दुःखानाम् अनुभवानन्तरं then he gives him घनान्धकारेषु इव दीपदर्शनम् then he says सुखात्तु third line is सुखात्तु यो नरो याति दरिद्रताम् सुखात् सुखतः यः पुरुषः दरिद्रतां प्रति गच्छति a man who passes from comfort zone to suffering zone sukhatah dukkam prati yah gacchati sukhat yo narah yati daridratam one who goes to poverty having enjoyed the sukha dhrutah sharirena mrutah sajivati dhrutah sharirena mrutah sajivati he is a living dead man. Wow. Now people should also understand how important it is not to go from riches to rags. One should come from the other end. One should always come from the rags to riches. But having come to riches, one should not go to the rags. So he says, Sukham hi dukkan anubhuya shobhati Ghanandhakare Shiva Deepa Darshanam. Now, what a beautiful figure. Ghana Andhakara is there. Imagine there is all pitchy darkness. You light up a small lamp. How does that? The entire darkness is illuminated. That is how a man's life is when he is coming from poverty to riches. His life will be illuminated. But on the contrast, Sukhattu yo naroyati daridratam. A man who passes from sukha to dukkha, daridrata. Dhrutaha sharirena mrutaha sajivati. His life will be horrible. What more you can say? Very practical. This Nataka is wonderful. Then Kaliyasa says in the same context, Yadeva upanatam dukkhat sukham tad rasavattaram. Almost the same echoing. Yadevopanatam, yad eva upanatam, adhigatam, whatever is obtained, whatever is produced, dukkhat sukham. See the stress. Yadeva dukkhat sukham upanatam. Whatever sukha is brought about is gained through dukkha. Tad rasavattaram. That becomes very enjoyable. That becomes enjoyable, you see. The happiness that is churned out of, that is produced out of dukkha is more splendid. Tad rasavattaram. Nirvanaya, he gives a different picture. Nirvanaya taruchchaya. Taptasya hi viseshataha. Like a man very much heated in sun. Taruchchaya, taroho chaya. Nirvanaya bhavati, it gives him ultimate satisfaction. Like that, a man who comes from, who obtains sukha from dukkha, his life is all the more enjoyable. Like a man scorched in May heat, in the month of May, coming under the tree, gets a great relief. What more? So beautifully they have said. Finally, this author we don't know, Niti Sankalpa text, Mata Nindati Pita nabhinandati. We came across this other class. Pita nabhinandati pita bhrata na sambhashati. Mata nindati. A moneyless man is cursed by his own mother. Daridram purusham swayam matapi nindati. Pita nas abhinandati, doesn't greet him, he doesn't. Bhrata vishayek na sambhashati, he doesn't talk to him. Brother doesn't talk to him if he doesn't earn money. Bhrutyaha kupyati, a servant, if he is there in house, he gets angry because this fellow pays nothing, but on top of that he commands. Bhrutyaha kupyati na anugacchati sutaha. Son doesn't obey him. Na anugacchati sutaha. Sutaha api na anugacchati tam. Daridram purusham. Kanta, his own wife, bharyacha, na alingati, doesn't embrace him, doesn't come to him at all, because he doesn't earn. Artha prarthana shankaya, na kurte sambhashanam vai suhrut. Even a friend also doesn't talk to him, artha prarthana shankaya, with a doubt that this fellow may ask money. Artha prarthana shankaya na kurute vai sambhashanam, na kurute sambhashanam vai suhrut. A very good friend. He also dares not to talk to him, because if I talk to him, he may ask for money. Tasmat, finally say, dravyam uparjayasva. Sumate, oh my good friend, tasmat dravyam dhanam artham uparjayasva. Dravyena sarve vashaha. All come under your control. Mata, pita, bhrata, suhrut, sutaha, suhrut, kanta, ete sarve api dravyena vashaha bhavanti. Dravyena sarve vashaha. So this much importance is attached to earning of money. Okay, Srinivas? Yeah. Dhanam, Ramayana also says it. They say, but I don't know, it is there located. Dhanam arjaya kakutsta dhanam moolamidam jagat antaram nabhijanami nirdhanasya mrutasya cha. Almost like Muchakatika what he says. Dhrutas sharirena mrutasya jivati. Antaram nabhijanami. I don't see any difference nirdhanasya mrutasya cha between a moneyless man and a lifeless man. Nirdhanasya and mrutasya. Lifeless you should say. Moneyless, lifeless. I don't see any difference. Therefore, dhanam arjaya. So money is not to be condemned. So that is the reason why Bhartrhari is saying with a lot of agony in him. Maybe he went through poverty and he was not recognized by anybody, cared by anybody. Therefore he must have written. That way we have to understand.
So what is the meaning of Kakutsa?
Kakutsa was the great grandfather of the Rama Vamsha. So his Vamshiyas are called Kakutsa. He was a king. Shall we take next? Padartha. Jatihi. Visheshaha. Birth, caste, both are same. Family. Rasatalam. Not exactly Patalam. This is the fourth downward loka, you can say. Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Rasatala. Yatu. Gacchatu. Gunaganaha. Guna Samuha. Dhairyadi Guna Samuha. A group of good qualities, you can say. Tasyapi. Adhaha. Adhasthat. Gacchatat. Gavanam karotu. Seelam.
Sadacharadi Sheelam.
Sadacharadi is Sadguna Santi Tatra. Shaila Tatat. Bhagat. From the top of a mountain, from the slope of a mountain. पततु भ्रश्यतु भ्रश्यतु अभिजनः
कुलम
उच्चवंशः अभिजनः नाम उच्चवंशः वह्निना अग्निना संदह्यतां भस्मीभवतु वैरिणी
रिपुभूते
शत्रुभूते शौर्ये
विक्रमे
आशु.
झटिति.
So I explained in last class Ashu Kavitva, Ashu Kavi, we have told. Jhatiti Shigram, Sadhyaha. There are so many words are there. Vajram, Kulisham, Nipatatu, Patatu. Kintu Naha,
परम
Asmakam, Kevalam,
एकमेव
Ime,
पूर्वोक्ताः
Purvoktaha, Samastaha,
सकलाः
Gunaha,
जात्यादिगुणाः
Trunalava-prayaha.
घासवत् निरर्थकाः भवन्ति.
Praya Shabda is used in almost like Trunalava Prayaha. Ghasavat Niratakaha Tuchaha. Nirataka means Tuchaha cha. Trunalava Tulyaha Tadval Lagavahiti. Okay. Artaha Vittam Dhanam Astu Bhavatu Yena
येन विशिष्टेन
Ekena Vina.
केवलेन
No. Yena Ekena Vina. Visishtena Dhanena Kevalena Vina iti Artaha. So Bhavartham Patasi.
ब्राह्मणत्वादिः जातिः नश्यतु.
Let the birth like Brahmana, caste of Brahmana, birth of Brahmana, all may perish.
शौर्यादीनां गुणानां आवश्यकता
Nasti. Shauriyadinam gunanam avashyakata nasti. There is no need to have bravery and other qualities.
सदाचारोऽपि नश्यति.
Even good behavior, conduct may go to hell.
कुलीनता
Agnau
पतति.
Kulinata, noble family, noble birth may fall in fire.
शत्रुभूते पराक्रमशालित्वे वज्रपातो भवति.
Enemy like valor, let thunderbolt fall on enemy like valor.
एतैरस्माकं
किमपि
प्रयोजनं नास्ति.
So etaihi upari uktaihi gunaihi अस्माकं किमपि प्रयोजनं नास्ति. अस्माकं तु
केवलं धनमेव भवति.
अस्माकं केवलं धनमेव वित्तमेव भवतु.
न एकेन विना इमे समस्ताः अपि गुणाः शुष्कतृणवत् प्रयोजनशून्याः एव भवन्ति.
So why has he compared with like Trunalava Prayaha? Like Truna is of no use to Manavas. You may say it is useful to Pashunam Vishaye Tatra Trunasyapi Avashyakata Asti. Parantu Manavaha Trunani na khadanti kalu. Atah Trunalava Prayaha bhavanti iti. Shushka Truna, that is dry grass. If it is at least, there also Shushka Trunavat. If it is dry, it is not useful even to the animals also. Daridriyena, there is a mistake there. Clear. Daridriyena. Daridre, simple dre. Daridriyena. Piditanam. Hatashanam. So, he is also, the book also says, poet has given the feeling of people who have been suffering, who are put to poverty. Daridrena piditanam, people who have been harassed by poverty. Hatashanam, whose ambitions have been destroyed, whose desires have been destroyed. About them he is talking. One may be born in a great family, money is not there, what can he do? So we have to understand this in a positive sense. Okay, English, bravery. So as I told you, Shaurya often considered to be an enemy because here it is considered. It proves to be an obstruction in the way of making money, व्याकरणांश संधि जातिर्यातु
जातिः प्लस यातु विसर्गः
गुणगणस्तस्य
गुणगणः प्लस तस्य विसर्गः
तस्यापि
तस्य प्लस अपि सवर्णः
अप्यधः
अपि प्लस अधः यणादेशः
गच्छतात् शीलम्
गच्छतात् प्लस
शीलं गच्छतात् पतत्वभिजनः पतत्व निपतत्वर्थः
निपततु प्लस अर्थः
also एणादेश अर्थोस्तु
अर्थः प्लस अस्तु विसर्गः
अर्थोस्तु पूर्वरूप संधि so it becomes in two ways येनैकेन
येन प्लस
बुद्धि
वृद्धि संधि
गुणास्तृणलवप्रायाः
गुणाः तृणदाव
विसर्ग समासत्रयं गुणगणः
गुणानां गणः षष्ठी
गुणानां गणः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष शैलतटात्
शैलस्य तटः शैलतटः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष
तस्मात्
शैलतटात्
तृणलवः
तृणस्य लवः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष
कृदन्ताः एकमेव कृदन्तं जातिः जन्
जन् इति धातु
तिन् जन् तिन्
जातु रूढः
एषः शब्दः जातौ रूढः इट हैज बिकम ए रूढ मीन्स एस्टाब्लिश्ड इट हैज ए रूढी मीनिंग मीन्स एस्टाब्लिश्ड मीनिंग जाति मीन्स जातिवाद इन पॉलिटिक्स देश जातिवाद घ तद्धितान्ताः एकम ओन्ली शौर्यं शूर शन
शूर इति धातु
शन इति प्रत्ययं शूरस्य भावः शौर्यं छन्दः शाब्दोल विक्रीडितं जानीमः okay that's all kosha now we have to go to kosha this I will read now since my system is working I can Seelam Seelati iti Seela Samadhu that which is constant in a person is called Seelam. So what Swami Vivekananda says, if you want to know the character of a person, you watch him do right from morning till evening, watch him do all his activities. Then you decide about his character, Sheila. If he Avyabhicharini, if he is constant, if he is the same man doing the same way from morning till the evening, then his character is upright. So that is the meaning here interpreted. Sheila Samadhu, a man who is very contemplative, very steady in his performance. Performance is the final thing where you judge a man's character. And it is a name given to Swabhava here. Swabhave Sadvrutti, that is what? Sheelam is a name given to Swabhava, one's own nature. Swasya Bhava, Swabhava. And Sadvruttaha, Sadvruttam. So in that sense, these two are not interpreted. Swasya bhava hai swabhava, sadvrittam is vartata iti vrittam. That which is there, or vrittam also varane, vrunoti, etc. Explain. Then we go to Kulam Srinivas. What are the words? Kulepyabhijano. This I think we have come across in earlier somewhere it came. Kula Shabda we have come across. Kolati maybe. Kolati. The dhatu is kul. Kula means to collect. Kula means to collect. Kolati sanghi bhavati. That means it is called a kulam where all the people are collectively living together. A big family. Kolati sanghi bhavati. Sanghi bhavati. You can say any family of the ancient type where the collectiveness is there. What we say, joint family. Now all joints are broken. Joints are broken now. No joint family. So that is Kolati Sanghi Bhavati. And Kula, which means Sat, that is Samsthyane, Kula Samsthyane, to collect, collectiveness. So it comes to mean collectiveness. Kula. Abhijanaha Abhijanyate Aneneti. It is interpreted that way. Well born. With this he is known, abhijanyate means known or something. Next, Srinivas.
वज्रमस्ति स्यात् कुलिशं भिदुरं पविः.
Vajram vrajati yati. I think last class we had. Vrajati yati na pratihanyata iti. Vraja dhatu is very famous. Parivrajakaha. Sarvam tyaktva parivrajati iti parivrajakaha. One who keeps on moving from one place. So vrajati, gacchati, yati, that which moves. How? Na pratihanyati, it cannot be intercepted. It cannot be obstructed. When Vajra is hurled by Indra, na pratihanyati, it has no check. It can't be, that is, I am using the word like missile is intercepted now. Any missile that is launched, missile interceptors are there now with advanced warfare. So this Vajra, Vrajati, Yati, na pratihanyati, it can't be controlled. It can't be obstructed. So that is the meaning given for Vajra. And then Vajram, Astri means Napumsaka, Syat, Kulisham. Another word is Kulisham. Kulyate samtanyate kirtinanina. Kula santane. Another same word, Kula santane. Samtanyate. Kirtihi anena. So this interpretation is, by using this Kulisham or Vajram, the user's Kirti is uploaded. Kirtihi samtanyate is spread. I am using uploaded word. We are only downloading nowadays, everything is uploaded. So Kulyate nama samtanyate, samyak tanyate is well spread. Kirtihi anena, with this, by the use of this particular Vajrayudha. So, Indra is known for using his Kulisha Prahara. So, one more interpretation. Kulin Parvatan, we earlier also I told you, 257, it came, page number 257, I made a note. Kulin Parvatan Shyati, it cuts the mountains, it trims the mountains. We had a reference earlier. Kulin Parvatan Nashyati, Shyati Pakshachedena, Tanu Karoti, it trims them by cutting their wings. So we had a story that Parvata said, Mainaka. Then we have one more word here to look into. Bhiduram. Bhinatti Shatru Balamiti. Bhinatti, it breaks the power of the opponent. Shatru Balam Bhinatti Chinatti. So Bhida Vidarani, it breaks the strength of the. Once it is something like, I am reminded just now, Vajrayudha is something like an atomic bomb. The moment it was thrown on Japan, war came to an end in the Second World War. The moment the atom bomb was used by America over Japan, the Second World War came to an end. So, Bhinatti Shatru Balamiti, it completely destroys the enemy's power. Then last word is here, Srinivas. Pavihi. Punati Vairamiti. This also we came across, 257. Punati Vairam. Pu Pavane, to purify. You may say, how? By cleaning total enemy, by exterminating the entire enemy, it purifies. So in that way it is called Pavihi. Punati Punite. So otherwise it takes revenge, by taking revenge. That we have seen. Lot lakarasya vishaye. So abhyasaha shlokam smarat.
जातिर्यातु रसातलं
ततो
गुणगणस्तथाप्यधो गच्छता
तथाप्यधो गच्छता शीलं
शैलतटात् पतत्
शैलतटात् पतत्वभिजनः
पतत्वभिजनः
संदह्यतां वह्निना
शौर्ये वैरिणि वज्रमाशु
निपतत्वर्थोऽस्तु. You can break other निपततु अर्थो अस्तु नः केवलं
येन एकेन विना गुणाः तृणनवप्रायाः
समस्ताः इमे. यथा निर्देशन श्लोकपदानि. लोट् प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनपदानि कानि कति सन्ति कुत्र सन्ति. यातु सर्वप्रथमं यातु इति जातिः यातु या इति धातोः लोटि प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं. गच्छतात् इति द्वितीयं पततु तृतीयं निपततु चतुर्थं पंचमं. That's all. 5. He's asking 6. यातु गुणगणः तस्याप्यधो गच्छतात्. सेकंड शैलतटात् पततु. 3 संदह्यतां. His कर्मणि is there. निपततु. Yes. 6. प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन पदानि. जातिः गुणगणः. यस यस नो दैट इज नॉट प्रथम. अभिजनः गुड. वज्रम अर्थः केवलम कैन बी टेकन एज प्रथम बट इट्स या that's all. प्रथम एकवचन विषय we can't take गुणाः. That's it. रिक्तस्थानानि. जातिः यातु रसातलभ्यः. शीलं पततु. शैलतटात् पततु. शीलं शैलतटात् पततु. अभिजनः वह्निना संदह्यताम्. अभिजनः वह्निना संदह्यताम्. And वैरिणि शौर्ये नो वैरिणि शौर्ये that's all. वैरिणि शौर्ये निपततु वज्रमाशु. कोष्ठकस्तेभ्यः पदे उचितपदम्. ओके. तस्य अपि गच्छतात्. नीचै अधः. तस्यापि अधः. अभिजनः डैश संदह्यताम्. जलेन अन्नेन वह्निना वह्निना. वैरिणि डैश वज्रं निपततु. शौर्ये. शौर्यमत्र वैरि. वैरी इति उक्तं. धैर्ये वीर्ये वैर्ये शौर्ये. नः डैश अर्थः अस्तु. केवलम् अर्थः अस्तु. पंचमः समीचीनम् असमीचीनं. गुणगणः अद्य गच्छतात्. गुणगणः अधः गच्छति. धनेन विना समस्त गुणाः तृणलवप्रायः. सत्यम् असमीचीनं. शैलतटे शीलं तिष्ठतु. असमीचीनं. पततु तिष्ठतु न. अभिजनः वरुणेन संदह्यताम्. असमीचीनं. वैरिणि शौर्ये आशु वज्रं निपततु. विशेषणानि. शौर्ये वैरिणि. वैरिणि शौर्ये वैरिणि. गुणाः तृणलवप्रायाः सर्वे समस्ताः. तृणलवप्रायाः समस्ताः गुणाः इति गुणशब्दस्य विशेषणद्वयमस्ति तत्। नेक्स्ट विग्रहवाक्य गुणगणः
गुणानां गणः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः
शैलतटात् शैलस्य
शैलस्य तटः शैलतटः तस्मात् शैलतटः षष्ठी तृणलवः तृणस्य लवः षष्ठी।
यस वेरी सिंपल षष्ठी संधि विच्छेदम जातिर्यातु जातिः यातु विसर्ग गणस्तस्य
गणः प्लस तस्य विसर्ग
तस्यापि सवर्ण अतत्वभिजनः अर्थोस्तु
अर्थः प्लस अस्ति विसर्ग
पूर्वरूप येन प्लस वृद्धि शार्दूल विक्रीडिते वृत्ते ज्ञातपूर्वम् एकम् अन्यं श्लोकम्। तत्र बहवः श्लोकाः सन्ति। यदि इतः पूर्वमपि अस्माभिः मन्ये केचित् श्लोकाः पाठिताः। सम् पोएम्स् हैव बीन टॉट, यू कैन टेक एनीथिंग। अर्थस्य महिमा कीदृशः उत्तरम् अर्थस्य महिमा कीदृशः मया केचित् श्लोकाः अत्र स्मारिताः। शूद्रकस्य श्लोकद्वयं, रामायणस्य एकः श्लोकः, कालिदासस्य एकः श्लोकः, नीति तत्र संकल्पमिति कश्चित् पुस्तकं वर्तते ततः एकं श्लोकम्, एवम् आहत्य 4 वा 5 श्लोकाः मया स्मारिताः सन्ति। But still, let us, you can, I will write that in the next class. Yeah. That we will take up in the next class, reminding this. Just to read and we can pause this. Shloka will begin. Vasanta Tilakam Vrittam. Ukta Vasantapaja Jagauga. सा बुद्धिरप्रतिहता
वचनं तदेव अर्थोष्मणा विरहितः पुरुषः स एव
त्वन्यः
क्षणेन भवतीति विचित्रमेतत्।
So now he is coming to some wonder stuck. Vichitrametat he says, Tani indriyani avikalaani tat eva nama sa buddhihi apratihata vachanam cha tat eva artha ushmana virahitaha purushaha sa eva tu anyaha kshanena bhavati iti vichitrametat. So we will see this next class. Srinivas, Shubham Bhuyat.